Sit or stand comfortably so that the sling and arm are supported. You can do this on a chair with an armrest or on a countertop and unfasten the torso belt. Next, unbuckle the shoulder strap and remove from the support shoulder. Unfasten all straps on the top of the brace, including the hook and loop for the shoulder arm sling buckle. Carefully remove your arm from the sling. While sitting or standing, place the brace on a surface that is around waist height. Ensure that all straps on the top of the brace are unfastened, including the shoulder arm sling buckle and associated hook and loop. Insert your forearm at a 90-degree angle and secure it within the brace, ensuring that the elbow is positioned towards the back of the brace and that adequate support is provided for the wrist and hand. Reconnect the hook and loop associated with the shoulder arm sling buckle. Place the shoulder strap over the support shoulder and reconnect the buckle. Next, secure both hook and loop straps on the top of the brace comfortably around the forearm. Wrap the torso belt around the body and connect the front buckle.